We're here at Eurospark's brand new headquarters in Leicester, and we're about to tell you about a promotion they've got going on, but also some of the business updates. You have had a successful year, haven't you, Ryan?
Yeah, so it's been a great start to the year already. We've had, to be honest, a fairly steady 2 years with COVID, which is great. I don't think the same can be said for everyone, so that's really good for us. And then a great start to the year. We sold 2 machines last week.
Amazing.
And, well, I suppose the new facility you mentioned, spent some money, got a new showroom, new offices, and a new person that you might see in the background.
You
hopefully
absolutely can.
Hopefully working away.
Hopefully working. So, of course, the new facility is here for you to come and visit. They've got their warehouse as well, where you have got some stock machines readily available. So, what's Andy's new role then?
So it'll be sales engineer, service engineer, a little bit of both really, but hopefully now we've got enough machines out there that need support. So we've got 3 in-house engineers, and also we want to be selling machines. So another person on the sales team is always good for that.
You know what, we're hearing more and more how important service is to the end user. So there you go, you're backing up that service. So to finalise really, what's this promotion that you're doing?
So at the moment we're saying with any new machine sale, we're going to offer a good discount on consumables for sort of 12 months to go with the machine.
Perfect.
So great time to buy a new machine.
Perfect. So, of course, a great time to buy a new machine. Come down to Eurospark, based in Leicester, to their brand new premises. Maybe Ryan might make you a coffee or a tea and get a fantastic deal on one of their stock machines.